Most people don't know this, but you can drill a grinder disc safely. Yes, a grinder disc. And no, this guy didn't lose a finger. Instead of forcing it and hoping for the best, he built a simple tool that controls everything. No broken discs, no flying sparks, just precision and a smart setup. The hole comes out clean exactly where it should be. This isn't a crazy internet stunt. This is a workshop solution, the kind of tool every job site should have. Because real work isn't about strength, it's about thinking first.